What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me for another video. First, before we get started here, because I know what you guys are here for, you're here to see who won our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. But like I said in a previous video, the one just before this, I was discussing about how I was kind of considering getting rid of the Duke 390. Did I go through with it or did I not? Let me go ahead and show you what I decided to do. There she is, guys. The Duke 390 is here to stay, at least for now. Kind of made the decision that I felt like if I went for the Moto Guzzi, I was just kind of settling for something else and not something else that I really wanted. I wasn't searching for a Moto Guzzi. I never was. So therefore, I felt like I was doing myself an injustice by just hopping on to sign up for this Moto Guzzi that I might not even like in the long run. This bike has a lot of blood, sweat, and tears in it, literally. So I think I'm going to keep the Duke 390 around for a little longer, and probably what I'll do is I'll just wait until the timing's right that I can buy something either brand new or lightly used of what I really want. The Duke 390 is here to stay. I'm sure a lot of you guys are happy about that. So without further ado, let's go over here to the iPad. I've got all your names in the random name generator, and we're going to go ahead and choose a winner. All right, guys. So just so you guys can see all the names before we do this, I went through the comments on the video where you were supposed to enter to win the Center Prism 2 Wi-Fi right here. So we'll just show you the names real quick and then we'll hit the button down here and choose a winner. So just going through the list here, we got Aaron Allen, Eric Like Whoa, Music on Waves, Nick Baum, Stephen B, Mudboy, Illinois, Scott Smoot, Arthur Salonga, Mo-rific, Damage Case, Easy Rider 390, Dub Ninja 85, Owen Ortiz, David Yamada, Nick Kratzky, J-Man 07 STI, 321 Jacob M, Adam, Dave H, Soccer Moon, Corey Berard, not sure how to say this one really, but Koryoyu or 69, you're in there, man. Systemic by Design, Tim Ray 07, Liddell Ote, Miguel Lopez, Vinny Bonanno, Deval Stone, and Christopher Rhodes. All right, guys, so here we go. Let's go ahead and choose a winner. Christopher Rhodes, man, you won. I actually know Christopher. He lives here in SoCal, so I guess it'll be easy to get it to you. But yeah, man, you won fair and square. Congratulations to Chris Rhodes. I'll get you the camera here soon, man. We can meet up or I can mail it to you. I mean, you only live like 20 miles away, so. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Short and sweet. The Duke 390 is here to stay. If you want to see some more Duke 390 videos, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you want to be entered for another giveaway in the future, I'm thinking we're going to go for the 5,000 subscriber mark before we do another giveaway, and that giveaway will be worldwide. So do not worry, guys. Like I said in a previous video, and I left you guys comments who wanted to enter to win, but you didn't live in the United States, we will do a giveaway that you will be included in as well that should be bigger and better than this one. 5,000 subscribers is our next goal. I've got some plans for the Duke 390 coming up here in the future. I'm thinking about ordering a sticker kit to get rid of all of this this nudeness here. So stay tuned for that video, and as always, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.